In this video, I'll guide you through how to add breakpoints in Webflow. If you're new to Webflow or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to effectively use breakpoints is crucial for creating responsive designs that look good on a variety of devices. Let's dive right in and make sure your website adapts seamlessly across different screen sizes. First, head over to webflow.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Webflow is a powerful tool for web design, and being comfortable navigating its interface will make your design process much smoother. So after logging in, you'll want to select the site you're currently working on. This should be a site where you need to add or adjust breakpoints to ensure optimal design responsiveness. Once you've selected your site, click on it to open the design canvas. You'll notice a set of three dots located at the top right corner of your canvas. Go ahead and click on those. This is your access point to additional layout options, including managing your breakpoints, which are essential for responsive designs. In Webflow, breakpoints allow you to define how your design should adjust at different screen widths. After opening the menu from the three dots, you'll find the option to add large breakpoints. These breakpoints are crucial for ensuring your design scales well on larger screens like desktops or widescreen monitors. Let's talk about the specific breakpoints you can add and why they matter. You have the option to add a breakpoint for screens that are 1280 pixels and above. This is particularly useful for most desktop displays. Then there's a breakpoint for screens 1440 pixels and above, which caters to high-resolution displays often found on large laptops and widescreen monitors. Finally, you can add a breakpoint for 1920 pixels and above, which is ideal for ultra-wide screens and will ensure your design maintains its integrity even on the largest displays. Remember, breakpoints are a way to tailor your website's appearance to different devices, providing a better user experience. However, it's important not to go overboard. Too many breakpoints can complicate your design process and make it harder to maintain consistency across your site. Focus on the most common screen sizes that your audience uses and design around those. In conclusion, by adding and customizing these breakpoints, you're ensuring that your website will look great no matter what device your visitors are using. This kind of attention to detail is what sets professional web designs apart and enhances user experience significantly. I hope this guide has made the process clear and manageable for you. If you have any questions, feel free to explore more resources or drop your queries in the comments below. Enjoy designing with Webflow and happy creating.